So here I'll be showing you how we are getting entered and exited geofence alerts. So here now boxes 4 and 5 are offline, whereas 1, 2 and 3 are currently online. So now we'll be inserting the fines inside the boxes, and once we insert the fines, we will be getting entered geofence alert. So we are having two boxes here, boxes 4 and 5, and we also have two fines. This is fine for box 4 and this is the fine for box 5. So now we are inserting these two fines inside the boxes. Now as soon as we place these both the fines inside the boxes, we will be getting an entered geofence alert. So we have placed these both the boxes here, and here we have these are the gateways which is blinking, above which is connected to the power bank, and we have the dongle powering it up, which I will be showing you in a minute. So here we have the gateway which is currently on, and the gateway is powered using this power bank, and we have a dongle which is providing the internet for this gateway, and we have for those 5 boxes here. So this is box 3, we have box 1, we have box 5, we have boxes 2, 4 and 5. This is 2, and we have 4 and 5 there. Now now I'll be showing you the dashboard. So now this is the dashboard, and as you can see, those boxes 4 and 5 have come online here. So now we will be driving around, and after some time we will be removing those boxes, and once we remove the boxes, we will be getting exited geofence alert. So here, as you can see, now we have boxes 4 and 5 entered geofence. So now similarly, once we remove those boxes, we will be getting exited geofence alert. Now currently all the 5 boxes are online, and with this setup around, we will be driving around for another 5 minutes to show that the gateway is not going to go offline or fines doesn't go offline. To show that, we will be driving around with this setup, and after 5 minutes we will be stopping at a location and we will be removing the boxes, and within 5 minutes we will be getting exited geofence alert. So this we will be showing you now.
मेल आहे तेवढं.
So now the vehicle has come to a halt. We will be taking the boxes outside, and as soon as we take those two boxes outside, we will be getting exited geo. First, the devices will go offline in the dashboard, and after that, within 5 minutes, we will be getting the alert in the email. So now we have boxes 4 and 5 here. So these boxes 4 and 5, we will be taking it out, and as soon as we move outside, within 5 minutes we will be getting the alert. Currently all the boxes are online as of now, and as you can see, the last updated on time is right now only just 18:28, and now within 5 minutes this will be going offline, and we will be getting the alert in the mail. Now the time is around 18:30, and it has been 2 minutes now. So now the fines have gone offline in the dashboard. So in another 2 minutes we will be getting the email and SMS alert, which I will be showing you. Now the time is around 6:37. Now it is offline almost 7 minutes ago, and if you can see from here, before around 4 minutes, at around 6:32, so we made the fines offline at around 6:28. At 6:32 we have received two mails. One is that box 4 has exited geofence, and another is box 5 has exited geofence. So this is how the geofence concept works.